Well, ahoy, folks. Welcome to the Lone Wolfer office, the new office, as the wife and I have actually moved. Don't really have a garage per se right at the moment. It's also winter, and it sucks. I'm also really busy. As some of you know, I'm a high school wrestling coach, so my days are quite long. But want to do something here for Christmas, get something out there, and I actually got myself a present from the old Amazon, as you can see from their smiley dick logo thing going on over here. But yeah, figured do a little unboxing, show you what I got, and share the holiday spirit with you. All right, let's get into these boxes. First things first, gotta have the right tool for the job. Here it comes. Oh, it's another Kuryakyn product. The Kuryakyn Spear mini boards without adapters. Had to buy the adapters separately, but that's cool. I got them. I got me some adapters for these mini floorboards. Hopefully these help make my feet stop hurting so much when I'm riding. And they just look pretty cool. Wow, this box is really heavy. As some of you might hear, my voice is a bit hoarse. Well, I yell at teenagers a lot right now with the wrestling season, and yeah, my voice is just not holding up. Super slow-mo pan fly by. All right, let's give this a tug, see what spurts out. Look at these bad boys. Look at that. Multiple ways of mounting, so you can get multiple positions for your feet. Both sides. Some hardware. What do you got in the old Splined adapters? Well, another piece of tape. Right tool for the job. Look at that. I decided to go with the chrome spline adapters. Little bling down by my feet. Just a little. So yeah, these Kuryakyn 5653 motorcycle foot control component spear mini board floorboard satin black, one pair. They are retailing for $91.79 right now on Amazon. That's where I got them. If you are looking for Les Chrome, these are $89.99. And yes, you do have to get the adapters. I got the chromes. These are the Kuryakyn 8881 spline male mount peg adapters for front and rear foot pegs and floorboards. 2010 and 19 Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Cool thing about Amazon is sometimes you can get things used like new. As you can see here, there is one for $68.21. If you are the kind of person that is frugal or is looking to do something a little less expensively, you can always look on Amazon and see if they have any, return packages that they are selling cheaper. So, yeah, that's opening the box of the Kuryakyn Spear mini boards without adapters. I think these things are going to be super fun. But yeah, the actual installation is going to have to come a little later. Maybe tomorrow. I might actually get out to storage and fire the bikes up. Tomorrow is Christmas Day, and it's supposed to be pretty warm. It's supposed to be in the 40s again. Today I actually took advantage of the warmth and the day off and the time before dinner with family to do a rear brake job on the Ford Taurus. Need to be done, and I figured why not just get it done? I'm that kind of guy. But yeah, I'll probably get the boards on tomorrow. Maybe take the bike for a spin and let you folks know exactly how they feel. Hope everyone has a happy holiday, and if I don't see you, Happy New Year. Rock on.